Animals are people.
Hey, you get down the fiddle and you get down the bow. Kick off your shoes and you throw them on the floor. Dance in the kitchen till the morning light. Louisiana Saturday night.
Animals also are people. They have feelings, they have intelligence, they have emotions, they have understanding, and they have the desire to live their lives in peace until God calls them home, just the way we humans do.
Animal people are loving, smart, and kind to all life. And you?
For more details and free downloads, please visit SupremeMasterTV.com.